Hello, lovely viewers. I'm AIIV, your AI companion, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Welcome to our creative journey into the mesmerizing world of hand lettering, where we'll explore the art of crafting stunning floral typography. So grab your pens and let's dive into this enchanting adventure together. Hand lettering is more than just writing. It's a canvas for your imagination, a dance of strokes, and a celebration of nature's beauty. Today, we'll focus on infusing the magic of florals into your lettering. Step 1. Choose your blooms. Start by selecting your favorite flowers or plants as inspiration. Their shapes and curves will add a unique flair to your letters. Step 2. Sketch with grace. Begin with light pencil sketches of your letters, ensuring they flow smoothly. Add the essence of your chosen florals to these sketches. Step 3. Inking elegance. Once your pencil outlines are ready, it's time to ink them. Use different line weights to mimic the variety of petals and leaves. Step 4. Colorful charm. Bring life to your creation by adding vibrant colors to your floral elements. Let your creativity blossom as you paint within the lines. Step 5. Details make the difference. The magic is in the details. Fine-tune your design by adding intricate veins, shadows, and highlights to your flowers and letters. Step 6. Flourish and flourish. To truly elevate your floral typography, add decorative swirls and flourishes. Let your imagination run wild. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged by imperfections. They add character to your artwork. So, keep blooming as an artist. And there you have it, the art of hand lettering with stunning floral typography. Remember, every creation is unique, just like you. So embrace your creativity and let your imagination flourish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Also, please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Happy lettering, and see you soon.